Welcome to the College of Discovery at the University of Possible, in the city of firsts. Welcome to Wow. Welcome to Eureka. Welcome to What If. Let's open up minds, figuratively and, well, literally. Ignite your sense of curiosity. Let it illuminate your studies. Take a closer look at the ideas that inspire you. Watch your interests and opportunities grow. Let's explore. Test the tensile strength of professional networks. Measure the impact of real-world experience. Observe the attractive forces of transdisciplinary collaboration and the power of teamwork. In a college that's big enough to provide a wealth of opportunity, but small enough for individualized attention, we'll research the limits of your own understanding, re-examine your findings, redraw those limits, and redefine possible. This is the Thomas Jefferson University College of Life Sciences, where you can build a solid foundation for further study or move directly into a successful career, where you can contribute to the progress of life science across academia, healthcare, biotech, industry, and government, where the worlds of biology and chemistry, immunology and forensics, genetics, neuroscience, and more are yours to explore, where we're training the scientific leaders of tomorrow, today, leading to undergraduate and graduate degrees, post-baccalaureate, certificate, master's, and PhD programs.
Science is what we do.
Science is what we do.
Noi facciamo scienza.
हम विज्ञान करते हैं.
احنا بنعمل علم.
علم کاری است که ما انجام میدهیم.
Science is what we do.